Today's mission is to take this wasp's nest and take it to a prepared nesting box that I have in the woods. Let's do this. Okay, I think I took them off guard. Hopefully they're going to occupy this box. Let's see now. I'm going to see if I can get close enough just to scrape the nest off. I need the lid. Maybe give it a second just to die down. Okay, let's see now. Okay. Oh. You. Okay, they didn't like that one bit. Hopefully they'll get into the box. Pretty scary. Now it's raining.